gentlemen, boys and girls, the clock has struck 8 and it's getting late. Time for us to go to bed and rest our heads. Time for a Broadway lullaby.
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetops. Welcome to Broadway, where life doesn't stop. Let's have some fun, let's have a ball. Let's watch the kiddies, short ones and tall.
Great lyrics, who wrote them?
And now a tribute to our friends, the trees.
This is my contribution to the production. Trees can be high and trees can be low. Trees can be young and trees can be old. Trees give us shade and some things to eat. You can cut up a tree and it'll give us heat. Trees give us tables or maybe a bed, but during bad light, trees can kill us dead. Goodbye, baby, think of our trees. Home for the birdies, home for the bees. Cut them and saw them, they make great things. What a great treasure nature she brings.
Hello, I'm Mother Nature. And yes, I do bring you trees. But I bring you all sorts of other wonderful things. Some of my favorites are little forest creatures. Here are a few of my forest friends.
I'm a bunny, cute and furry. Can't stop and talk. I'm always in a hurry.
We are robins, our eggs are blue. Look for us in springtime when snow and ice are through.
I'm a mousy, tiny gray. I live in a hollow and I like to eat and play.
We are bugs, black and round. We're mean and ugly, so we crawl on the ground.
I'm a deer, so sleek and quick. I'm also so nervous I make myself sick.
I'm an owl with eyes so bright, I like to watch all the others fight. And I'm a wolf, biggest and best. I make it a point to eat all the rest.
Yes, Mother Nature balances everything. And always remember, only the fit will survive.
The fit alone will not